Welcome back, champions. Today we're going to change the rubbers on the Xbox One controller joysticks. In my opinion, they just don't seem to last, and there was a need for a video on this. So I've got a couple of second handies here I'm going to fit to it, and I'll show you guys how to make your controller look nice and spanking new. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and you'll see a little bit more of me. But moving on with the video, we need to remove the battery door first, and then get the metal tool, or preferably not the metal tool really, but I used one. Slide it into this little crevice or crack thing, and then you can just sort of, push it against itself, and it ends up splitting apart. If you're lucky enough to have fingernails, you'll be able to pull that off. Otherwise, you champions can just use whatever creative methods you come up with, I guess. We'll have a quick clean up here. As you can see, we've got those removed, and now we've got the little hidden screw here. So I'd suggest by starting with punching a little hole in here or using a heat gun and removing the sticker. But that'll show you where that screw is, and now I can show you a little picture that I've got here just with the location of the 5 screws, just if you wanted to take a screenshot of that one. And I'll just ask in the comments below, have you guys ever stripped one of these screws, and if so, what did you do to remove it? Moving on, we should be able to get the faceplate off now, so just basically lift this one up straight off, and you can see we've got access to the joysticks themselves, so they pull off really easily. God, this one's dirty. Should have given that one a clean up. I'll link to a video on how to give these good clean up as well. But moving on, you can see this one is completely destroyed. Had its time, so I'm glad I've decided to replace this one. So we've got the new one here. One thing to note is they've got like a little flat bit. You can see that on the left hand side there. Tried to zoom in to give you guys a better view, but they sort of fit on only one way. And if it's not fitting on, just keep spinning it until it does. Aside from that, I've got other videos on how to clean up your Xbox, how to clean your controllers, how to pull them apart, all sorts of stuff. So I'll have that linked up here on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.